आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
If fx is equals to mod of x plus 1 when x is less than 0, 0 when x is 0, and mod of x minus 1 when x is greater than 0, what are the values of does limit x tends to a fx exist? So first let us understand about the function mod. When mod of x is equals to x when x is greater than 0 and mod of x is equals to minus of x when x is less than 0. We need to know this, okay? So here we have first, we need to find the values for x, limit x tends to a. A can have three values, a less than 0. Case 1 will be when a is less than 0. So when a is less than 0, limit x tends to a f of x. So this will be written as limit x tends to a. When a is 0, this is x plus 1, right? Mod of x plus 1, which is also written as limit x tends to minus x plus 1. When we put the limit, this becomes minus a plus 1. So here we can see that this is a polynomial, hence limit exists. Now for case 2, when a is greater than 0. So when a will be greater than 0, limit will be limit x tends to a fx. Here limit x tends to a. Now a is greater than 0. When a is greater than 0, this becomes mod of x minus 1, or we can write it as limit x tends to a x plus 1 or a plus 1 when we put the limits. This is also a polynomial, hence limit exists for this also. Now third case will be when a will be equal to 0. Now we have is case 3, when a is equals to 0. So that means left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit. So first we'll solve for left hand limit, which is equals to limit x tends to 0 minus fx, or we can write it as limit h tends to 0, and this becomes f of 0 minus h, right? Now this becomes limit h tends to 0. Now f of minus h, that was minus h plus 1, right? So if we put the limit as 0 here, this becomes 1. Now we'll solve right hand limit. Right hand limit is limit x tends to 0 plus, okay, which is fx, which is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h. So f of 0 plus h becomes limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h, which was h minus 1 in the question. So this becomes, if we put the limit as 0, this becomes minus 1. We can clearly see that left hand limit is not equals to right hand limit, hence no limit exists when a is equal to 0.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।